In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your YouTube channel to a WordPress website for free. This is a great way to showcase your YouTube content directly on your site, enhancing visitor engagement and giving your audience quick access to your latest videos. First, let's start by navigating to WordPress.com, your go-to platform for website creation and management. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the Login button, located prominently on the top right of your screen. If you're already logged in, you'll be redirected straight to your WordPress dashboard. If not, simply enter your credentials, and you'll be set to go. Now, you're in the WordPress dashboard, which is essentially your control center for website management. Here, you want to look for the Plugins section. You'll find this option on the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. Clicking on Plugins will take you to a page where you can manage existing plugins or add new ones. In the Plugins section, there's an Add Plugin button. Click on this to open the plugin marketplace. This is where the magic happens. From here, you can search for various plugins that can extend the functionality of your website. In the search bar, type YouTube. The results may show several choices, but the one we are interested in is Feeds for YouTube. This plugin is specifically designed to make integrating your YouTube channel with your WordPress site quick and seamless. Once you locate the Feeds for YouTube option, click on it. You'll see a button that says Install Now. Click on that button, and the installation process will begin. This usually takes just a few moments. Once installed, you'll see the option to activate the plugin. Don't forget this step. Activating the plugin is crucial for it to function properly. With the plugin now activated, it will seamlessly pull content from your YouTube channel and display it on your WordPress site. You can customize the display settings within the plugin to match the look and feel of your site, ensuring a cohesive and professional appearance. And there you have it. A straightforward method to enhance your WordPress site with dynamic YouTube content. This approach not only enriches your site's offering, but also increases viewer retention by keeping all your digital content interconnected and easily accessible. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.